this is Van Pivot. I am behind the curtain. Today it finally rained, like around 3 to 4 a.m. in the morning. It started raining a lot, and good thing I wasn't outside because it's from the smoke. And I think a lot of the smoke cleared away because of the rain. I'm looking outside and it looks like it got cleared, which is good. Now we can go out. But it's windy. Weather looks shitty. Maybe summer is almost ending for Seattle already. We'll see. Banana is so good, Mom. What's in there, Mom? Can I hide in there, Mom? Is this where you were hiding, Mom? I can't even. Oh, I see you, Twilight. I see you. Don't have bananas all over there because ants could eat them. No, it's okay, Mom. I got this, Mom. Open this fridge, Mom. I wanna touch some cool stuff, Mom. Where can I touch, Mom? Oh my gosh, there was an energy drink here and Twilight. It was already open. She took it out. She loved touching that. So every time I opened the fridge, she always loved touching it. Finally, she pulled it and spilled all over the freaking ground. Oh yeah. By the way, I also organized the fridge because it looks so terrible. I mean, it doesn't look all that great still, but like at least it's much cleaner. Throw away the like things that we don't need. So many rotten vegetables I found. It was gross. And the only problem is this freezer is packed. I gotta take care of this. This is really disorganized. I just don't know which frozen fish to keep because there's some of my mother-in-law that she still uses. So yeah. What is that? Is that ice cream? Yeah, Bongda. Do you know Bongda, Twilight? Do you want to close the freezer for me? Yeah? Yeah? Wow! Good job! High five! High five! Thank you! Forever 21. Second package. Finally came. I ordered more, excuse me, I ordered more clothes because it was 70% off. So I was like, let's do this. Did I get the same one? But they're like different. Huh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is just scrunchies. Holds pretty well, but this one look good on me. Because I don't like those small thin ones. I just want to have like something like a scrunchy looking. But a sports bra. Hopefully this fits me. But it looks very uncomfortable. It was $8. It's large size. I saw this, I was like, you know this one where it's similar to this? Got that one. For the lace looking one. I like this because there's no zipper. I think I have the same one as the other one that I usually have, which is the white color one. The only problem is it's not very stretchy on the waist area. So I think I might have a really hard time wearing this. A skirt, size 31. Right. Okay, this is another skirt, floral looking, whatever it is, skirt. Yeah. This is my favorite purple color. Almost like wine color. I don't think this is a raincoat, but it's pretty long. It's very long. It's almost like a lab coat, you guys. Holy crap. It's longer than the one I got. A very thin jacket. Kind of looks like a trash bag. Because large was way too big for me, so I got medium. This is large, and it does not go in. I'm like stuck here. Laugh all you want, but it won't go in. If I go further, I don't think I would be able to take this off, so it's a beautiful dress, but it doesn't fit me. At first I had a terrible time wearing this, and I realized there's like 2 different layers, and I put it in the wrong spot. That's why it was hard for me to wear this. But finally I got it on. I was supposed to give it to my friend who's much thinner than me, but thank you for letting it fit me, because I really love this dress. I mean, it doesn't look flattering with the glasses I'm wearing, but it's just comfortable. I love it. There's no snug here. It is super comfortable. I really like it. I'm so glad I got this dress. Do you guys like it? This color too. I think this color is much prettier because I think green and purple are such a pretty color together. Forgot to show you this part with the purple one, but it looks like this. I usually get really irritated in my skin from there, but no, it's not irritating at all. It's gonna be a cute poison ivy dress. It's not exactly forest green, kind of a bit teal color. A little warning though, when I was trying to put this on, I kind of ripped inside, but there is no hole. It's just the inside. It's a very fragile dress. So just gotta be careful when you're at. Which color do you like the best? The purple one? Or this one? I cannot put this in size 31. Unless I have to fit. Okay. Then that fits. But oh my gosh! This is my butt. But look, I'm wearing my shorts so you guys can. Right? Or is that my underwear? Yeah, this is not a size 31, you guys. This is it's very small. And you would have to wear something here. Like something boxer shorts, I don't know. I mean, it's really cute. Too bad it doesn't fit me unless I go down. It doesn't work. It's way too tight. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ugh. I wear size 31. This is not 31, you freaking liar, for 21. Unless I do this. And do this. So. Ew, that looks so weird. Do you like this skirt, Twilight? Why is she so attracted to the skirt? Move away, baby. Really black in the camera. So it's the same color as the dress that I wore. Look at this, so pretty. Don't worry, it's not see-through. There's this part. This is large size. I had to pull up where close to my boobs are. So this is, you gotta wear shorts for this. If you're 5'4", 137 pounds, like me, and so I'm still able to wear like size 27. Now I'm wearing 31. You guys, the zipper is very sharp, so be careful when you wear. It's very long, like it covered almost to my ankle of my foot. Yes? You want to be whole? Would I be able to carry you in here? Let's cover. Yeah, I could cover you, Twilight. Catwalk. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's not catwalk. Yeah, it's still a little big on me for a medium size. It feels like the texture of a trash bag. Like it. I love the color. Okay, it's the lilac color. It's so the zipper's all the way down there. I don't have to. Zipper is taking forever. Oh no! This got stuck. Look at this. This thing with this whatever drawstring got stuck in here, and now I don't know how to take it off. Oh my gosh! It's jammed there. What? How did this get stuck in there? If you wear it like this, you guys, it's actually very girly and so sexy and so cute. Of course, I'm not gonna go out like this. Oh, but it's so cute though. Like in the summer, like in the. But it's just, yeah, it's cute when it's out like this. I like this. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, Dragon Ball. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Rice. Rice is good for me. Although white rice is not that good for you, but you seem to like it a lot. There's some in there, Twilight. Don't forget that. Do you see this? Do you see that? Yeah. Dig in for it.
아픈 거야 이거? 그것도 사다가 뜨거우면 금방 깨져.
Do you like kimchi mukbang? Yummy kimchi. So happy. Uh-oh. Stop doing that, just drink it. Okay. Where is Twilight? There she is. So lazy. I think it's gonna rain again. Hey, at least the sky is cleared up. Daddy Moopa. You look so cute, Moopa, with that jacket. It's the same one that Sari's daughter have. Do you like it? Hit Daddy with that, Moopa. 어디 가, Moopa? 집에 가? I don't like this. I want to go back home. Why is the weather cold? Moopa, 어디 가? Moopa? Come on. Ah. Yeah. Hey. She just gotta take the Fairlife with her. It's her precious. Wow, so many cars. Maybe a party. A party going on with this neighborhood, Twilight. Uh-oh, please don't hit the car with the milk. Twilight? That's not your car. She wants to vandalize the car with her milk carton. I'm gonna break some cars tonight. It's your first time carrying the Fairlife. It's like you're advertising it, Twilight, but you're doing it upside down. You gotta hold the other way. I'm gonna destroy some cars with this Fairlife. Thug life. I choose thug life. Right, Twilight? You choose thug life? No? Wow! She's getting good. She used to be like slowly going down, Papa, and then like go down. Oh no, Chichi! Not. How come there's always balls here? Whose ball is this? Run, Twilight, run! Nope. What is that? What is that?
It's good that she's holding it because she doesn't want to pick up other things.
Yeah. Kick it, Daddy. Kick it away. Go get it, Twilight. If you want it. Go get it. Go get it, Twilight. Run before Daddy kicks it again, Twilight. Uh-oh, Daddy kicked it again. Go get it, Twilight. Go get it, Twilight. Can you keep up with Daddy? I'm gonna hit Daddy with this if he kicks it again. Will that be your car in the future, Twilight? Because you're like touching it? Mom, this is my car. You can't use it. When I grow older, this is gonna be my car, Mom. Peace out, Mom. Thug life. Yep, that's your stroller, Twilight. I'm gonna touch this yellow car to let people know this is my car. This is my car. You hear me, people? This is Daddy's car. This is Daddy's car, yes. Ew, don't touch it. Daddy, I'm going in. I have a baby license. We're ready to go. Just give me the key and we'll go, Dad.
오빠 신발 벗어야 돼 들어가려면.
Just like I'm ready to be in the car. This girl wants to go somewhere in the car. Just stay in the car. Bye, Mupa. She thinks we're gonna go somewhere now.
Hi, holy shit.
Hey, did it open?
Did they?
Oh my god, they opened. They opened it. I thought maybe they were tired of people. Maybe people were complaining or something, or maybe there was not enough money.
Maybe it's not finished, but if it is finished, that's way ahead of schedule.
Yeah.
And I thought they were under budget too.
Yeah. It doesn't look like wood though, so they might have.
Oh yeah, they said they're not going to use wood.
Yeah. Hello, Redondo Beach.
I
It is
did like walking on
8:55
the road.
p.m. Are usually water this high?
I don't know, it's pretty high.
Maybe we're just not used to it. Raining outside? No. The oceans are, the waves are pretty fast. Must be really windy outside. We're out here at Redondo Beach. We're both wearing like long pants or so we're not gonna see her too long. But it's nice now, so we're just walking. It's been a while, and we got street parking. Woohoo! Wow, Twilight, look!
She's getting nervous.
She is?
She's pushing me away.
Oh, Twilight is fine. You're not going into the water. You're gonna be right next to Mommy and Daddy. Right? Such high tide. Wow, it's crazy. It's so mesmerizing. The waves are like really fast. Where are you, Mopo? Are you okay? She was like, where am I? This isn't home. I was in the car, safe and sound, and now I'm outside. It's weird, Mom, Dad. One fell out and it's the pier, Twilight. Are you scared? Daddy's with you. Okay, we'll follow you. We'll follow you. She looks like she's going to school, 오빠. 학교 잘 갔다 와, 오빠. 네. All through the town. Where do you want to go? 오빠 배 타고 싶어? 배 타러 갈까? 어디가? 배 훔쳐러 갈까? Oh, thug life. 조심해, 오빠. Where are we going, Twilight? Look, the boardwalk is finally open. Well, it's still kind of wood, but I guess it's better than before. Or it's the same. What's down there, Twilight? What's down there? The stair of doom. The stair of doom, right, Twilight? You can do it! Yeah! It's a long, long walk. Finally opened it. They said they're going to open like 2020 or something, but they finally opened it. My battery is dying. Yeah! Mommy, I might have to use a Google Pixel to record you, girl. 아이고, 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 아이고. What a noise! 랄라. 하야. 무프. 랄라. 어디? 어디가? 차 가고 싶어. 무프. 랄라. Be careful, Twilight. 도망갈래. 내다. We walked plenty. It was nice. Loved it. Now we're gonna go to Target to try some more super solid food. And hopefully DHA milk. I don't have a lot of time. The moment I got to the Target store, I went to the bathroom. And now I only have less than 10 minutes to shop. This is like the shopping game. Let's see if I can do this. But if you want chips, gotta find Rebel chips. Oh, I don't like how Target is always out of stock. Like, look at this. It looks like a very old store. I'm gonna get this. You should try it. You liked it? Do they notice this? I always see this. It's like either the employee wrote this, put this. Oh, yo. You found Mommy's green Sharpie pen? Why are you walking like that, Twilight? Listen. There's the tiger! Run!